In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert a string into a list in Python. So suppose we are having a string called string1 and it contains the value being skilled, and we want to convert this string, which is just one word long. We want to convert this into a list. So how will you do that? So first of all, let's check what is the type of this. So we are just adding a comment just to make it easier to understand. So here we will just type print and then type and then variable name, which is string1. So if you'll run this, then we will get what? Here we have just not closed the second parenthesis, that is why. So now it shows class str, so it is data type string. Now what we are going to do is we want to convert this string into a list. So for that, let's say we will have a new variable called list1, and here we will be converting that string into a list. So we will be using the function called list, and then in bracket we will just enter the variable name of string, and then we will just try to print this list variable to see what's the value of it. Now it shows that each of the characters of the string are now converted into a list element. Each of them are separated by a comma, and to verify if it is indeed a list or not, we'll just type print and then type, and here we'll just type the variable name of the list, which is list1, and run it. We have to close the parenthesis as well, and now run it. Now it shows class list, which means that the data type of list1 is list. So that we have verified. Now suppose you would have had a longer string with more words. Each of them will be separated by a space. So string2 equals to being skilled is an attack platform, and then inverted comma. So this is our string which is having a few words. Now we want to convert this into a list in which each of the elements or each of the words will be a new element or separate element of a list. So for that, we just have to type list2, which will be the new variable which will be having the new list, and then string2 dot split. So split is the function which breaks the string. So the string is broken down on basis of the spaces. So all the spaces will be removed and each of the words will get converted into a element of a list. And now just type print list2 and run it, and now we can see that each of the element or each of the word of the string is now an list element. So this is how you convert a string into a list in Python.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.